Yamwa kwa Badwam TV Badwam so yenjumedie no ana yashase de kase no na edi kan de amount yamwa kwa ba se radio show so amade pa ache wonsam no ne otodwa omu bi ye wo betie nie ene ye majority chief weapon so de minority force fra wo mu free parliament ho koja wo nuan mo ekwan e wo court no nkire se parliament adwuma no e wo se etwen wo mo e ho nsam ni kire mu ye de bebramo Bafa food suppliers and penifon so and they also for share agriculture so say enu agas bosume na wie yere de na won sika ni nyina so watua ade ama won eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase shame live on Facebook /Adom TV Go TV channel no 119 and a DSTV 280 media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mutie se den nsem ni kire mu ankasa etie Majority Chief Whip Ora Frank Adom press enei ekukuma de achi adesa one more sorry a free house ho kwa koja wonuan wo court no nkire say parliament adwuma wo say one more ayen ye de twen won on Adom TV kase etwaso
our colleagues in the minority and they have elected not to be present so that the parliament of this republic cannot wait for them and hence as often been the practice, want to appeal to you that the answers to these questions be published, except for question 1405, which stands in the name of the Honorable Vincent. As a first speaker, to your leave.
Aswafo ya washe food and agriculture so de ato bafa food stock nkene penifo wonu manim se yensha nkosi agas bosume no na wie ye de ekabia ya ban no ede wono wonsa ebetumi aka
Buffer stock has made payments in respect of 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021 in full. Mr. Speaker, in 2022 of the 726,617,881 Ghana cedis, 500 million cedis has been paid to the suppliers. We still owe suppliers a little north of 203 million Ghana cedis.
Nanusi Yape and Habib Idrisu, Yawe Majority Chief Whip Ebedi Echire, and so edito. Buffer stock suppliers no nyina enim say wo ma wo ho kwan e ma amanyofo emfa won so enye adwuma.
You've done a very good job. We expect more from you, and we expect that the CEO of National Food Buffer Stock, if this money gets into his hands, to be able to pay these suppliers and to tell the suppliers that they are not just ordinary and they are not just poor people, and they should not allow people to play into the sentiments and the politics of this, so that they will be encouraged to go and sleep there in the name of the fact that they haven't been paid. Between December and June, when you do supply in December and you haven't paid in June, you cannot say that there's unnecessary delays. Ordinary, you cannot say that because that's a lot of money involved. And you cannot do a supply in December and by June, if you are not paid, you are already going to sleep in offices.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwe na Amnesty International Ghana so na ede adese emramro shebedwafo no ese koba se bill no a one more epese yeyi death penalty no every one beto one more pono so wo munyina nto emma sanhyehe no se be ebeyi ede afri ho ento so ne Adom TV edi nkomoyi
Amnesty International Ghana edi ato mrashibedwafo enim se wo mo hwese wo mo beto aba edi aboa na death penalty a womo epese womo epasi bill na yefi ho no etimi aye adwuma every 1985 ana Amnesty International Ghana edi niema egu akwam so mo bebu obi akumfo death penalty a ekoso ewo man Ghana mu no womo etimi efi ho death penalty a womo eka wasemi womo huni se etia omanfo efa hodie womo edi ato Ghana fo eninanim se womo enhwese womo beboa ama bill a eda mrahye bedwam a womo epese womo epase edi fa death penalty hu no etimi abem womo e de ato stakeholders ahodo enim se womo enhwe se womo ne nsentwofo ebesi nkonya na womo kyerɛkyerɛ manfo mu e de afa die nti a womo ehwe se so womo bebu obi akumfo se wodi bɔne ebefiri hɔ no ensɛm a womo ekruchi edi go nkrata so no womo de tudwa se anamɔ a womo etu se womo beyi saa death penalty ne e de efiri hɔ no womo anya mpenifo bi a womo eta akyire ebi ne kane mampeni John Dramani Mahama kane chiame a wo mrahye mpenifo a womo eneda nsɔre ano womo nso a womo Ghana Armed Forces ana mpenifo bi a womo Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice eya shraj womo assign ball eye mrahye bedwani owo Madina abaso se wodi enim ehwese bill no womo ebe passe mrahye bedwam chiame Aban Sumana babinso womo ebona baso so ono so ehwe ama debate ekoso edifa bill no no etimi akonenim
Western North Regional Zongo Council NNA wonso Edward said to aban anymore no say uba Western North honoma Islamic schools ahodo na ewo hɔ tibia mu no yame anim ni nyade say ekoyie nti aban mra emeboa wo
wo hwe a aye Western North no kre aye ye education no enkanka English and Arabic school ye ho kire ye ho pa ukokodu ba bi kura wo sua de wo ndiase ubedu ba bi no bi kura ntabodan me kokodu ba bi ana me wura ho enti me sere se aban no modern na onhwe nani emehwe Western North ye English and Arabic schools
enu akire na ekuo mabi enso ne amane boni etwetwe nkomo a wonma woti zongo mpotamu ahodo nyina animu se wonka wo hummumu no wompre empempum tuo
se ye zongo fono yetimi kan ye ho bom eye baako a megidi se ye betima ye niema pa e magana mai na yenkola no school ko na ye inso sam sa problem no e wo zongo community no ti ye besre aban se ontu ni nsan on fan ni ere enhwe zongo community no se de be ya yesu no ye betima ye de ekoyenim
se ye kan ye ho bomu a edi mpuntuo ebeba reginim ama ebiaka Ghana man nyina ifi say ye de odo abo odomu a ye pese Western North zongo no e fa ne ntuma pafira no se fa ne ntuma pafira ebema ye Western North ye nyampuntuo
nani esukufo ne wa kyerɛkyerɛfo a wɔmo Alanjenzule ewo eye Catholic Basic School ewo Jomromensini no emu Western Region so wɔmo de adesrepa na to aban no anim sɛ wɔmo classroom block bi a wɔn hye asɛmfie bebree ni a wɔgye si hɔ no wɔ sɛ wɔmewie mfama wɔn sɛ bɛyɛ adesua ne adekyerɛ wɔ hɔ so ɛbɛma ne mu so.
Teachers don't complete syllabus. It affects students because when exam questions are set, it is set across board. It's about everything, whether you learned or you didn't learn. It's everything will come. So students in this case can't answer many of their questions because of the situation they are in.
Adesuafo bi amane boni ene wonom etwetwe nkomo no nso ede tudwa se ehu behia se ni manimu ya sa school dan a wo hyase a wonwie no oba bewie ama wonom se de be obenya baabi pa atena asuade
Mwenye school na say for na one yes so be school say you see na teachers won up stay your coffee.
Adom TV Badwam kasia so eni na make say yes ya hyan be say en 9 de asai esi gomwa akoti kaso Cape Coast kwantempono so ni nyina gina say kwan ni mu nyina adane mmena amna nko a tutu nti wutime fa so koba de so wafa ho adi no wantumi di a woka no be say esi kwam eye wo mo hawo ebi ni Adom TV kasia edi nkomoi
sekura emu ebie asekura try step man ho anapa we atwen cars be for nko a nso no tompo de aye west asekura omugusu bia na asan tutu omugusu bia na asan tutu so mo ye bridge e wo ha mo ye penifo no so mo fie na de bia gisem ya na ma be ye feeling kakra aya koti gomu akoti me fele me senso no efi wi anu ma fele eno ani de bia me ba be emu ado anapa ya chikas be fon ko a efi am ti ma senso no so ami tumi fele
eno akiri na wonom a wodi ekwan so akwaneaba nso de sansemi eto aso
aka what highways we djuma tesa mure tua ma kakra bi mo bi tom kra obewu ti amani twon bi ewu ansa waka ho asema na anu wakoye hu adwuma na mejo we try to because kwa we fit out because kwa he era for blebe the traffic is here udi bi sa me se obeye e se ko fie kitani na ma we blebe ha mo ayo ne be papa kwa we be papa
aye easy kra man kra we the body traffic mi sa opeto nyina abasa
kwa ben ya
kwa highway kwa we now tuwini ba tu kaso tuwini ba kwa ne nye kra
Nana Kwame Apia bambo hene ewo gumua achempem no nso ne nsem ode to aso ene se esan se de kwan no te bia enyinti no ebribia ema traffic ba kasoa wini ba kwan tempo no so
From Montemu Penia Wadanadmo ano IV Amawuga Dene wode ato Ghana this year ni tichi one war from Montemu anim tichi one nsuo eyi se won munya pade no kakra bi a won mu benya no wode beba ababeso won wase.
Should I say it's a collective effort? So we don't leave it to NADMO alone because the numbers are very huge. We're looking at about over 1,000 victims. So we have some relief items. Rotary International have also asked that we give them a letter and then they will be bringing some things in soon.
Wasan to Adom News in Central for him, and Yama would be a woman answer aka, a woman edebema or manfua, and so yili as a woman yapadian.
We have rice, we have oil, we have blankets, we have mattresses. We can move in, but it might not be enough for the victims.
And Miensa ya ensure far warmo na no da walking tampo we a chire ba ku free mu na yenhuna foforo nso no emu no ba ko won said to me akanabra amamra ne amane ekoso wonsuo ne so
duro no na chire se mehunu no nne amande anora ye ne nyina na no ene na we ha omna ko ya ye twetwa nkukọ no nyina ma efa se ye behunu no obedu nsuo mu a ekate nsuo na aye ma no nka ite se wo njina emfata se obedi achinje nsuo de ye ndi na achinje ha udi achinje a de obehunu na obehunu
na naje eye chiame ema komfui ono so de nsem sei ene to aso
bi o se mpa se black voter ya eda hoyi se nipa to mi se den na se edi se den kura no a me fa se me na wodi kan wanya ye na mamre edi ade ni twinani a ba bi afunu no wo bia no obehunu em se mfi se bia no we esi yi se mfa se bia se wono wo ha na beginning mfa se wase esi ya na wodi kan yi na fa nani ase a anka obetuma afra kola no se eden obetuma afra makola no makola na apa but nipa ni sunu de ebia we nipa but hunhumu no de na ne kra no de ekọ ha woni de obetuma hu se nipa na wu but ya ye wo akire no ye de behunu se ebia eden nipa na eden nipa na tiase but na nipa na eden nipa na wu obetuma afra no ama na apa.
Ghana National Fire Service and Penufo say additional 280 ewo Kumasi a June bosome no mu wa fi mu nkwansuo eyiri ase wormo ejapade na tichu no aso na wo mu ofie nti na wo so wo mo eboa wo mu ahoyehia mo wi akire enipa du de nsu yiri ne nam so ede won kọ nananom asiedo
enso tawa ha se ya eda wo minum se wonya ba bia mfa gisa eyiri a gisa opia abonten ekwatena abonten be 3 hours 4 hours ansana waba inside enso na mu na obeda na saade achi a ateche na twe kakra ya horo obehuro be kwana honam nyina ya oya last week eyiri ye ene ne ya wi have na ndem ha nyina de ateche kana kura ka muntumi ngina ha sei
de nipa pina eni fire service for ene say wo mudum eja nanso se koba ne se ensuo yiri bi eba enipa ensuo eyiri for omododo na no fire service for ene pre eyi omo DO3 Peter Ade eyo panyinipa wo customer fire service for wasantemantam here.
Ya rescue nipa ebro 280 so 280 ewo flood cases mu a ebisi wo tafunhia so ebisi wo besianse sepase ene me aye bebre keka ho nti nipa no de ya rescue bebre pa every flood situation.
Nenkasa mu no esan editu dwa say
ayen yedwuma ba kwa aye no say ya rescue na obi ehun akire no inso agi obi fi aboso agi community aboso a amanfo akemo munya kwan emfiri mu no motum nsa frɛ ya yebe ba aba be rescue nipa no efiri baby a waka no na yempese ebedru sa ne nti ye education on it. Me know kase anope yakɔ a number of stations yakɔye education about flood and how to manage it, how to prevent it. Na BBC kura na se na obi free mu no yeguso ayeye nkyerɛkyerɛ nti amanfo mfa no muntie no mfa nya adwuma ba esi na wokema frɛ wo emergency line so ye ba be you afiri
Nana awuku denchembo amane eboni.
Ghana Journalists Association aye nsentwefo nhyiamu amane won di kose mu odin na eto edwa se enei se wo kan sentweni ba kokora wo do nsa ka ye nyina nti no ne woso won mu ye bia de ebo nsentwefo ye ho eban no won mo ebeye na ye ntena ho so nye nhwehan manipa amfe ye seka nwananka ensema akoso Adom TV kase eto so.
As enforcers omo asese omo hwe se mra be den mra ebe dimu omemu ano eso mu no they must know better and therefore they must take their actions eso mu ni ye bia omo ye ediche journalist for no eso say ekoye ni ya as a person omo kan example for ehye ye di petition yakwa koma the comptroller general of Ghana Immigration Service ye lawyer Techi Esua ana ya copy the interior minister no so omo hwehwe asemi mu na asutwe bia esefata no omo mfama officers na omo ye involved no
Enwachi waka edika ho se so man ye kom na sentrefo wo man mo no nipa bi ye mayaka de se ya asunsunso no ebebo man no eso na sanso so ne nkan sen papa enfo man ho e wo World Press Freedom Index na emu
them say ya hwe ya e be san affect your global media freedom ya kas global media freedom ya World Press Freedom Index samre 50 bese infiem you ye free 30 e de ko 60 e na afia ya ba 62 under this administration no say Odo Saka is a training back one Odo Saka the whole institution and we can assure them you can't almost say Odo Saka a practitioner Odo Saka the whole institution and yenina no will come after you and apply the law to get justice.